what came today. The wallpaper. It's finally here. Big, bold, beautiful. All I have to do now is get paste and get it on the wall. Keep on watching. I'm gonna really wet that a little and see how it does. Let's see. Oops. I'm gonna pull it out too right there. I think I need more glue on here because it's not slimy like I like it to. Okay, let me check that out with. Okay, I'm gonna put more glue over there. Okay, and there again. Well, actually, that's not bad. Just gotta get a little bit more glue under the edge there. Let's see if we can just turn this a little bit more this way so you can see we've got that strip up. Now I'm going to match this one to it. Put the glue on there already. Be sure. Let's see, where did it? Be sure and get it exactly on that. And put it right up there. I need to slide it. That's not lining up quite. So we'll scoot it till it does, because I know I put this to match great. Okay, so we gotta come back down a little. Be a little tedious at times, but it's well worth it when it's perfect and you look up at it and you know you did the best that you could, or the best, regardless. We'll be cutting all this excess off after it's up here and dry on the back. Dry, I will then go back and do that. So make sure my seams are all looking good. Get this somewhat square. How we're doing now, so I'm gonna go get my scissors and trim this up a little bit narrower. The wallpaper's going up pretty good. You can see. This face is really nice and thick. It goes on so nice. So I think I'm gonna like it. This is the chair rail that I'm putting up on the very top. I've got 1x3s going along the top edge, but where I've brought the wallpaper down to it, I'd like to have it a little bit cleaner looking right there. So that's what these are about. This is where it's at so far. So the wood, the little chair rail that I was just cutting, I've just laid it in here. Haven't, nailed it or anything yet, but it looks like it's cut nice and snug. And then I'll just give it a little bit more finished edge when I put that in. Okay, so just about done. My problem is this room is so small. The only place I can put the ladder is between the sink and the toilet, but I am too short to reach up there to trim that wallpaper. I've got it everywhere else, but back in that corner. So I was hoping someone would stop by that's taller than me and I could just ask them to cut that. Okay, wallpaper is up. At this point, I don't know if I want to put this shelf back in here. It might be a bit big. There's that one. I'll show you another one. You guys can let me know which one I should use. Here's the other one. And for that one, I would probably put it about right here. Which do you like best? Let me, kind of might like this one better. I love that one, but I think for in here now with the wallpaper, it might be a bit much. So I'll go ahead maybe and put this one up, but I would love to hear from you and let me know which one of these you think would be better. Pack here I picked up that's got this different size screws and the anchors that go with each. This powder room makeover is complete. The wallpaper is installed. The beadboard is painted alabaster by Sherwin-Williams. Here we have an old mirror that was thrifted, not sure of the age. And here we have a nice pretty towel that I think complements the wallpaper nicely. Wallpaper is just beautiful. Here we have a thrifted shelf, a little antique shoe last, touch of greenery. Have a little crock for the toilet brush and a crock for the trash. Little arrangement here. Basket with extra tissue, lotion, and room spray sitting on a little vintage stool. And there's the rug. So happy to have this finished, and I think it just turned out lovely. It's a small little powder room, but it has a big impact. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. I hope that this little makeover has given you some inspiration and ideas of things that maybe you could do in your own home. Simple little updates. Doesn't have to be wallpaper and beadboard. Just sometimes in the smallest detail, it can make a difference. Just remember that you can make your home your happy place. Thanks for watching.